Take a look at this EA agent made by Business Architecture Info. It's designed to help enterprise architecture teams map applications to business capabilities using TOGAF-aligned definitions. It will generate an Excel file that will map applications of an organization to at least one business capability. We've provided the name of the organization. Let's now upload its capability map in an Excel file. The EA agent is now verifying that the required capability map information is there. Let's now upload the inventory application of the company in an Excel file. The information provided in the application inventory Excel file is complete. No changes are required. Let's find the realized capabilities of the first application, Active Directory. 10 suggested choices of business capabilities are provided. The first 4 business capabilities are realized by the Active Directory application. Let's continue with the second application, Active Directory Federation Services. Here, the first 3 suggested capabilities are realized by this application. Let's now find the realized applications of the application, Adobe Experience Manager. Capabilities 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7 are realized by the application, Adobe Experience Manager. We could align more applications to their capabilities, but we'll stop here. We can now download the application master table Excel file generated by this EA agent. It includes the original uploaded data, plus the additional relationships identified with the agent. Column D in this Excel file shows the capability ID of the realized capabilities by the 3 applications that we have examined earlier. You now have more applications of the company mapped to at least one business capability in an Excel file that can be imported into RDoc and potentially into other EA tools. Ask for a demo.